reality because this is how it works. Okay, we brought in the car in Bohol, inside this hotel, and after when he win this, he have to drive the car outside the hotel. So it's up to him how to maneuver. What we did is we did a full tank.
Wow!
So he can drive to Cebu. Okay, tomorrow. Okay, so the real key is here. Okay, now can you please pray that this will be yours?
Amen. That's mine.
That's
mine. Who among you wants to drive a brand new car?
Yes.
Imagine, every time we have an event place, we'll be giving cars, houses. And 1.9 million.
Wow.
Next time around to Bulgan Masters, we're raffle off cars na boss. Cars?
Cars?
Yes.
And house a lot.
House a lot.
Wow.
So, Boss Joe, I really remember that.
So who will qualify in 2023? Let's sound out on the project. Primary Homes, Prime World, and Cebu Land Masters.
Our favorite developers.
Launching so many projects by November.
Of course.
Mira.
Yeah, primary homes as well. Yeah.
Yes, primary homes will be.
And also in Prime World.
Yes.
Boss, buhay na tayo kahit sa, even if you will not win anything tonight, buhay na tayo.
Exactly.
With their project.
So, thank you very much to all our sponsors, to our staff. Can you please give a round of applause to our staff? Thank you very much. Okay, to the waiters. Okay, thank you.
Food servers, thank you.
Ikoy, to the decorator, the florist, the Boss Michael, to our coordinator, Robert, and also Robert and Florelyn. Okay?
Yeah.
And to my family, Deanne, Dimple, and Kay, and to my sister-in-law, Wendy, and Hani, my nephew. Okay? Yes. And to all of you guys, without you, I'm nothing. We don't have Filipino homes. And this is, I am just a servant here to really maneuver and execute the plan of the Lord. So now, I would like to thank one person, my wife. Can you please give a round of applause to my wife for being so supportive in this event? Okay? So I would like to give the key to my wife.
Wow.
And she will give the key to you. Do you like that one? So
yes.
Please call my wife May to raffle the brand new car!
Grabe, ano? That you will drive this to Cebu and you will drive the car outside the hotel. It's up to you how to leave the car. Boss, you know, it is so hard to exit the car at the back. Yeah.
I'll do the exit, boss. I can run.
Amazing. Do you want to read or
First of all, I'd like to thank everyone for coming, and especially our partners, the developers. To mention everyone, the staff, my kids, and the Lights and Sounds, and especially to cameraman, the Kubo group.
Paano kikurabon?
And of course, our host,
Yay!
Chris and Sheila. Before that, we invited as the host, si RJ yung isa, but he didn't make it because something happened to his dad. And we'll just pray for him. And now, ako na natin pasahon. And of course, also to Boss Andy.
Tiga turuan ni
Tiga
turuan
ni Boss.
Tayo magkaisan.
Since the beginning of I think it's already 6 years, Boss. 8 years, you've been supporting the MapCon. Naghan kaayong salamat, Boss. Yeah. And of course, we have a lot of projects in Hillsong. So, ako na yung basahon sa white lugay-lugay. It's a girl. I don't know where she came from. It's not familiar to me. The first letter of her name is similar with my name. Letter M.
Ay?
Isa letter M diha. Babae lang. Letter M. And the last name begins with letter L. So, congratulations to Marilyn Naranjo.
Namatay. Ikaw ano manggana, mas ka kumain matay ako. Naimatay. Pero sa agum ano?
Marilyn Naranjo, come over and get your key.
Grabe.
Live in Cebu.
Naimatay ano? Ginira na po na ako.
Wow. Kuya po na siya, Chris.
Paglaban ka?
Kuya.
Garbo.
Sa paglaban mo kaya?
Wala nang kusog. Oh, siyempre. Wala nang kusog ano? Ambulansya na. Ambulansya na.
Kalma na. Ikaw ang feel.
Grabe ka.
Baka maano yan. Baka mag-airban. Hello, di natin.
Dinismayo na po.
Sige, what else?
Hindi nakataw.
I can put into words na kung sa gusto akong isulti. Hindi na kastorya akong partner, no? So, all in all, thanks God sa chance niya igatag ng karon.
Ay, tagasay, nanggarot taga Cebu, ano?
Murag kamot, thank you very much! What's up?
Grabe, ano?